Hi, welcome to ElimuHub. In this session we're going to learn about parallel lines and finding the equations of parallel lines. What are parallel lines? Parallel lines are lines that will never meet. Mathematically, we say lines that have the same gradient. So, gradient is steepness. Like these lines here. These will never meet. Why? Because the distance between them will always be the same. So parallel lines have the same distance between them and have the same gradient. Okay? So let's do some example. If you remember, when with my previous sessions, we define straight line as y equals mx plus c, where m is a gradient. So when you have parallel lines, m must always be the same, whereas c can be different. For example, I'll do it up here. You could have parallel line that goes like that, and another one that goes like that, another one like that. So there are infinite amount of parallel lines, but as you can see, they all have different y-intercept. Okay, let's do this example. Write down the equation of a line parallel to y equals 3x plus 2. So comparing the equation of the straight line, our m is equal to 3. So there are infinite amount of parallel lines. You could choose anything. I will do 3 examples for you, and you can think of others. Well, I could write y equals 3x plus 15, y equals to 3x minus 8, y equals to 3x plus half. It doesn't matter what the y-intercept is. All it matters that they have the same gradient. So those are a few examples. Example 2. Find the equation of the line parallel to 2x plus 5y equals 10, which passes through 0, negative 3. So, well, we have a line that is 2x plus 5y equals 10 to start with. The first thing you need to do is write this in the form y equals mx plus c. So let's do that. We need to make y the subject. So if I take away 2x from both sides, I will have 5y negative 2x plus 10. Divide both sides by 5. I have y equals negative 2 over 5x plus 2. So my gradient then is negative 2 over 5. Now I have another line which is parallel to this line. So if I call this M1 and this as L1, my L2 will have M2 equals to negative 2 over 5. Right. So all I need now is use the coordinate which I'm given for the other line to find y-intercept. Well, I could write this L2 to start with as y equals minus 2 5x plus c. Well, you can't just leave it like that. You need to find what c is. That's when you need to use the coordinate. Okay, so using the coordinate, 0, negative 3, you need to substitute the values of x and y into this equation. So y is negative 3 equals to negative 2 over 5 x plus c. Now you have, beg your pardon, we do need to put 0 into here, so x is 0. So this will give you negative 3 equals to, well, negative 2 over 5 times 0 is 0, and that is c. So my y-intercept is negative 3. So L2 then is equal to y equals negative 2 over 5x negative 3. Right, let's do example 3. Line A passes through the points 2, 1 and 5, 10. Find the equation of the line parallel to A that passes through 2, 5. Well, if I call line A line 1, so L1, I don't know what it is. All I know is general formula of equation of a straight line is this. I do have 2 points, so I can find gradient. So what do we need to do? We need to find gradient, and you need to find c, the y-intercept, for the first line. So let's just do that. So m1 equals to difference in y divided by difference in x. So 10 take away 1 divided by 5 take away 2. This will give me 9 over 3, which is 3. So I can kind of write the equation of a line as y equals 3x plus c. Now I can use one of the coordinates from the first line A, which I called line 1. I can use 2 and 1. You can use the other one if you like. So I'm going to use this coordinate 2 and 1. Y is 1, so I will substitute that in. 1 equals 2, 3, x is 2, plus c. So that will give you 1 equals to 6 plus c. If you substitute that, you will get c equals negative 5. Well, I can now write my first line. I do have the gradient, which is 3, and I have the y-intercept. Right, so line A is going to be y equals 3x minus 5. Now I need to find the equation of the line that is parallel to A, and this particular line is going through this point 2, 5. Right, so what is the same about parallel lines? Gradient. So that means m1 is going to be the same as m2. So my line 2 is going to be in this kind of form, 3x plus c. They have to have different y-intercept, otherwise they will be the same line. So from that given coordinate 2, 5, so using the coordinate 2, 5, I substitute the values of y's and x. Y is 5, so 3, x is 2 plus c, so 5 equals 6 plus c, and c equals negative 1. So now I have my y-intercept, and I know my gradient is 3. I can write, so line 2, y equals 3x minus 1. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.